Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create Wix website, how to monetize a blog, 15 profitable strategies. Bling blog. This article was last updated on March 14, 2022. For many writes, create a blog is a matter of passion, the opportunity to share interest, knowledge and ideas with people from all over the world. This is beautiful way to build connections across community. In addition, a blog helps move website SEO and substantially strengthens the online presence of personal brands, business and other organizations. But as many of us have learned, passion alone does not pay the rent. On the top of that, the responsibility involved in operating a great blog are highly consuming, writing posts frequently, creating promotional campaigns, sending थल्ले जाए थोड़ा थल्ले एक पैर ने दबाए थल्ले लत्तां दे होर थल्ले हाँ the fundamental of blogging. Before you learn how to monetize a blog, you will need to grow your audience by building a foundation of powerful content. This required fulfilling the five keys principle of blogging. Now your niche. As you set out start a blog, you will need to define its focus and a clear target audience. Rather than writing about anything that comes to mind, you will need to create a specific type of blog with a strong creation focus. You use your blog to build your expertise in a particular area and to fulfill the specific needs of your readers. Deliver quantity contest. While the quantity of your blog post is important, the quality is even more so. Aim to push post constantly but don't. ਇੱਥੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਾੜ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਜੋ ਪੜੀ ਆ ਬਸ ਥੋੜੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਉਂਗਲ ਨਾਲ ਉੱਤੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਉਹ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਪਰਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ 9 ਮਿੰਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਣ ਨਾ ਉਦੋਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਪੜਾਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ while the quality of your blog post is imported the quality is even more so aim the publish post constantly but do let that limit your ability to create new well-researched content. After all, your goal is for readers in enjoy your artists and come back for more. Offer value. Just as very business must offer value to its audience to score to does a successful blog. People read articles in order to address a need, whether it's to learn something new or find a solution that their problem, and your job is to satisfy it. Go beyond cookie cutter content and aim the right post that stand out with original and genuinely helpful information. Drive mm, learning your blog should not only satisfy but it should also make them to be a of community around your personal brand. The more you your readers, the more successful you will be at monetizing your blog down the road. If you if you are now expert in your field, people will want to read your work. The word about your by building your across other online sites such as Medium and build a strong social media following. These will help your reputation as a leader as will as drive additional traffic to your blog. Once you successfully these five blogging course, I have powerful contact and a detective at audience. With these two, you will be well when to start monetizing your blog. How to monetize a blog? अली अदर नॉर्मल हो गई हम अपनी सेकंड